Today, I'll show you how to change your password in Clio Manage. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or just want to change, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Settings section within Clio Manage. To do this, look at the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll find the navigation bar. It's chock full of options, but what you're looking for is the one labeled Settings. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. This is your gateway to adjusting various aspects of your account, including your password. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to access the Security section. This is crucial because you'll find all the security-related options you need here. Look for the option named Security and Compliance. Selecting this will bring you to a new page dedicated to your account's safety features. This is where you can ensure your account is as secure as it can be. Once you're on the Security and Compliance page, it's time to update your security settings. Under the My Security section, you should see an option that says Update Your Security Settings. Click on this, and it will direct you to a more specific area where you can make changes to how you protect your account. Now that you're ready to change your password, focus on the Password section. Here, you will find an Edit button. It's usually located right next to where your current password is displayed, though don't worry, your current password won't be visible for security reasons. Clicking Edit will open up a new set of fields where you can enter your new password. When choosing a new password, remember to make it strong to enhance your account security. A good tip is to combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or common words. Once you've decided on a secure password, type it into the designated field. Usually, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it again in a second field, just to make sure there are no typos. Finally, after you've entered and confirmed your new password, you need to save the changes. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will apply your new password to your account. Make sure to remember this new password or store it securely in a password manager so you don't get locked out of your account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password in Clio Manage. Remember, regularly updating your password is a good habit to maintain your account's security. If you ever need to change it again, just follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.